Hello there. Staying dry throughout the weekend, and there's a lot more sunshine to come, but always a bit cloudier towards eastern areas of the UK. The best of the warmth and the sunshine in the west and across the far southwest of England. Then it's going to feel very windy. High pressure remains dominant. We're drawing down a northeasterly wind, and there'll be cloud that rolls in from the North Sea for the rest of the night, and then that will burn back towards coastal areas as we head through Saturday, the late morning into the afternoon. So lots of sunshine emerging. Very blustery for the north coast of Devon and Cornwall here. But this is where we're going to see the best of the sunshine towards western areas, perhaps the highest of the temperatures for Somerset and for South East Wales, maybe 28 or 29 degrees Celsius here. Throughout Saturday night, it stays dry. We'll keep the clear skies. Again, there'll be more cloud rolling into eastern, maybe central areas of the UK. Temperatures will be a little bit lower, so it's a cooler start to the day on Sunday, and the cloud won't be quite so widespread, but there could still be some lapping on shore towards these eastern facing coasts. But lots of sunshine around again on Sunday, again very blustery for the far southwest of England. Temperatures in the low to the mid-20s in Celsius. Temperatures will tend to dip again a little as we head into the start of next week. Here's the outlook. As you can see, no rain in the forecast. You can check for more details on the BBC Weather app.
Now let's take a look at the weather forecast with Elizabeth. And Elizabeth, it's really warm day today.
Yeah, it really felt it, didn't it, Asa? But beautiful scenes there in Victoria Park and in Kew, and another sunny scene here in Uxbridge, just outside the Tube, and over the Fruit Market too. So yeah, we got to 30 degrees in a couple of locations across the capital today. It's certainly the high 20s. Very warm, but too warm for some, I agree, but it will be turning a little cooler as we head through the weekend. But again, it's a lovely weekend if you've got some plans. It won't be quite so searingly hot. It will stay dry, and there will be a lot more sunshine around too. Now, high pressure is over the UK. It's just building in from the west. Here's the pressure chart, but you can see that we're drawing down a northeasterly wind. So that changes things somewhat in that there will be more cloud towards eastern areas, and that cloud is all going to feed its way further west again overnight tonight. So it could be quite a grey and a murky start to the day tomorrow. Certainly it is going to feel uncomfortable for sleeping. Lots of heat captured in our houses, particularly the upper floors, of course. So it could feel quite muggy and tricky to get to sleep tonight. Lows at the very coolest point of the night of around 17 or 18 degrees Celsius for many of us. So a bit of a grey start perhaps, but the cloud will burn back. So less cloud as we go through the afternoon sunny spells. It's quite a breezy day, particularly towards the southeast. And I dare say if you're taking a walk up the South Bank or if you're through the Thames Estuary, then it could feel quite windy at times. And this is also where we're likely to see a little bit more in the way of cloud. But look, the low to the mid-20s in Celsius, of course, always cool where we do keep those areas of cloud. And it's just more of the same again on Sunday. So possibly a brighter start to the day. Again, the cloud where we see it will burn back, and there'll be lots of sunshine around. Again, it's still a little bit breezy towards the far south and the east perhaps. Temperatures low to mid-20s in Celsius. You notice that we haven't seen any rain through the weekend. Could be a few showers if you're headed to parts of Devon and Cornwall, where it's going to be very windy through the weekend as we head into the start of next week. But for the rest of the UK, including London, then there's just no rainfall as we go through the rest of the week. But you can see what happens to the temperatures. They will be dipping, so distinctly cooler, but no rain by the time we get to Wednesday, Asad.